What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add overlays in OBS Studio. If you want to enhance your streams or recordings with cool visuals like social media banners, news tickers, or other overlays, this guide will help you get started. First, open OBS Studio and select the scene you want to use. Go to the Sources panel at the bottom and click the plus button to add a new source. You will see a list of options, such as display capture, window capture or video capture device. Select your source, configure it, press OK, and it will appear on your scene. Resize or reposition it as needed by clicking and dragging. Once your main sources are set up, it's time to add an overlay. Overlays are visual elements that can include graphics, animations, or text to enhance your stream. Open up your web browser and go to a website that provides overlays, such as overlays.uno. Sign up for an account on the overlay website if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the library section on the site. Here you'll find various overlay templates to choose from. You can browse categories or use a search bar to find specific designs. For example, if you want a social media loop overlay, select it from the library. You have the option to preview it before adding it to your collection. Once you found an overlay you like, click Add to my overlays. To customize the overlay, go to the overlay section of the website. Click Open on the overlay you just added, and you'll be taken to an editor where you can adjust the design to your needs. For instance, if your overlay includes social media handles, fill in your specific usernames for platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Some overlays let you adjust fonts, colors, or animations, so take your time customizing the design to match your brand or aesthetic. Once finished, save your changes. Now, to bring the overlay into OBS Studio, find the output URL of the overlay on the website. This is a unique link that OBS uses to display the overlay on your stream. Click Copy Output URL to copy the link to your clipboard. In OBS Studio, go back to the Sources panel, click the plus button, and select Browser from the list. This option is used to display web-based content like overlays. Name the source something descriptive like Social Media Overlay, and then click OK. In the URL field, paste the output URL you copied earlier. Adjust the resolution to match your canvas size in OBS. For most users, this will be in 1920 by 1080 for Full HD or 2560 by 1440 for higher resolutions. Click OK to finalize. You should now see your overlay appear on the scene. You can resize and reposition it as needed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.